Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how much YouTube paid me for the month of September. So if you're someone who's been following my YouTube channel for a while, then you already know that we have two different YouTube channels and I'm going to share both channels ad revenue for the month of September. So before we dive in, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and do leave a like on this video guys, because it can really help me grow on YouTube. So let's dive in and let's look at the numbers. So first, let's look at this YouTube channel's ad revenue. So you can see here, this is my personal brand YouTube channel and this is the channel where we talk about how to do online businesses, how to run Facebook ads and how to do affiliate marketing YouTube channels. So you can see I have a ton of content on this YouTube channel and I've been running this YouTube channel for last 2.5 years right now. So let's look at the numbers. So you can see here, so this is my last month's ad revenue on this YouTube channel. This is the smallest channel I have. So you can see here on the month of September, we made $155 on this YouTube channel. So let me change that to September. So you can see here, so it's really a growth from the last month, because the month of August we made $100 on this YouTube channel. So this is not my biggest YouTube channel. The second channel I'm going to show you guys made well over $10,000 US. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because I don't want you guys to miss out on those numbers. So you can see here in the month of August, this YouTube channel made $100. So I published 4 YouTube videos on this channel. So the CPM on this YouTube channel is around $20 and it was going up for the last 2 months. So you can see here in the month of August, it was around $20, and let me change that to September. So you can see here it almost increased $4, and the RPM is the real number we're going to get paid. So CPM is around $24, and the month of October we have $25 CPM right now. It's Q4, that's the reason my playback CPM is very high on this YouTube channel, because advertisers on YouTube will spend a lot of money during this period, the last 4 months. So let's look at my biggest numbers. So you can see here on September 10th we got $57 on playback CPM, and so this is my lowest number. Like you can see here, $8 is my lowest number, and this is my second biggest number, $45 per 1,000 views. So I'm not going to get paid $45 after YouTube's cut. I'm going to get paid, let's look at the RPM. So you can see here $18 is my real number I'm going to get paid for that day. If I got 1,000 views on that day, then I'm going to get paid $18.33. So you can see here, so on this day, if I get 1,000 views, then I'm going to get paid $27 on this YouTube channel. So on average, I get around like 500 to 600 views every single day. So every 2 days, I reach 1,000 views. So YouTube only pays you for 1,000 views. So this is my numbers on this YouTube channel. And let's look at my other YouTube channel's ad revenue. So you can see here, this is my second YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel made $17,000 in the last 28 days. So let me change that to September. So you can see here in the month of September we made $11,604. In the month of August we made $13,000. It's $2,000 less compared to August. So let me show you guys the CPM and pretty much everything. So let's look at other numbers on this YouTube channel. So you can see here, so let me change that to October. So in the month of October we made $13,000, and it's just half the month, and we still have half more. So mostly we'll be doing like $20,000 on this YouTube channel by end of October. So you can see the CPM here. So let me change that to September. So in the month of September, we were getting paid $43 on this YouTube channel. So you can see here, so my biggest CPM day is around, let's look at that. So it's around $50. So this is my biggest peak, like $51. So the RPM is the real number we're going to get paid from YouTube. So my biggest number is $35 on this YouTube channel. Compared to my other channel, we had only $11 to $15 on other channel. So this YouTube channel is almost doubled compared to what I was getting paid on the other personal brand YouTube channel. So in this channel, we don't make any content. We just reuse the content on YouTube, and we follow the terms and conditions. We don't do anything against YouTube terms. So the content is purely monetizable. So you can see here, this is my result. So let me click on estimated revenue. So on average, this YouTube channel makes us like $600 to $800. So you can see here, 600 on September, like 500, 420, 300. So 600 is the biggest day on the month of September. So because in October, we recently crossed $1,000 on this YouTube channel. So let me show you guys that. So you can see here, $400, 300, 300, 200, 400. This is pure profit, guys, because we don't spend any money on promotions or advertisements. We totally rely on organic reach on YouTube. When you have very good content on your YouTube channel, then YouTube will automatically promote your content and push your content to other YouTube viewers. So let's look at this month's number too. So let's go back to October. So you can see here in the first week we made $500 days. You can see here 500, 700, and it went up. So 700 was the biggest day on this YouTube channel on October 5th, and it went up to like $900, 900. It's consistent like $1,000, almost $1,000. So you can see here 977, and it went up to $1,000. In the month of October 12th, we did $1,087 on this YouTube channel, guys. This is pure profit because we only spend money on creating the content, and I can make these videos, but we have a lot of YouTube channel we recently started, so we don't have the time to make the content. So we recently hired people to make the content. So we just pay them some money to make this content. So mostly we hire people in India. So we just need small budget to run this YouTube channel. So you can see here in the month of October we made $1,000, and on the 13th we did $1,200, and 14th we did $1,300, and $1,115. So let's see how much we make today. So it's going to take us 48 hours to update these two numbers. So let's also look at my other numbers. So you can see here in the month of May we did $4,000, and June was $6,000, July was $7,000, and August was my biggest month so far, like $13,090, and September was $11,000, and October, by mostly this month, will be my biggest month on this YouTube channel because we'll be doing at least $20,000 on this YouTube channel. So let's see what happens. So let me go back and refresh the screen because people think these numbers are not real and they are fake. So let me refresh that. So you can see I just refreshed it, and you can see the numbers are same. So you can see this is one of our high paying niches on YouTube. We're getting paid $38 to $50 per 1,000 views on YouTube. So let me also show you guys my lifetime earning on this YouTube channel. So let me change that to lifetime. So you can see here, so far we did $56,000 on this YouTube channel, guys. So this is our average CPM 40.51, and this is our average RPM 25.48. So this is the numbers we're getting paid for every 1,000 views. So you can clearly see here the CPM is going up and the revenue is also going up. Like we did, this is our biggest day, $1,300 on this YouTube channel, guys. So before I complete this video, if you're someone who's really interested in starting your own YouTube channel, then you can join my one-on-one mentorship program, guys. So in this program, I'll give you guys my high paying niches on YouTube, so you can replicate my own YouTube channel. I'll also show you my YouTube channel, and I also show you guys how to make these type of videos. Because in this niche, you don't have to do voiceover or you don't have to show your face. You can easily make these type of videos, like you can make 5 to 6 videos every single week, and you can easily upload it to YouTube. So it's not going to be a overnight success thing. It will take some time to gain traction on YouTube algorithm, guys, because YouTube will really take a look at your consistency, the quality, and the engagement and everything. So it will take some time. And so if you're someone who's really interested, just send me a message on Facebook. It's a paid mentorship. It's not free. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.